see that my friend, she finally put me in her house. So now, I want to go to her shop. She's a very nice girl. Oh. You don't reach how many days now. Since how many days while they her side. She's a very nice girl. Maybe because of social media something. I know will come to say she's a very nice person. She nice, oh. You understand? So I want to go her shop now. I'll go see what will happen there. Man, whether I go help her sit down for her shop small because she tell me say she won't go market. She won't go buy market. You understand what she will sell. Okay, let's go. Right, let's go.
So do you know that as I come decide, say I go see my friend, go sit down for her shop, make her feel help her do one or two things so that she will go market, come back. Guess what? Finally now I can go see one of my old friend, one of my old childhood friend, where they call Nick. Okay, now I bring the video come to you.
Nick.
Joy.
What are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you what you're doing here.
You know him.
I know him now.
Nick, you know Joy.
I'm not Joy. I'm not Joy now. Joy, what do you do for him?
Like I go ask that kind of question.
My friend though, he lives around here. He always come follow me play for sure.
One dance will never end. You see this here? This girl was actually my first love back in the days.
Hey, small world.
I had to tell you now.
Which days?
Back in the days that this.
You knew Nick before me.
Now this guy now tell you will disappoint me.
This
This guy now tell you even.
So this your bad character. I don't do it since. Now wow.
I'm not supposed to be in this condition. Like this guy, because of this guy.
How you call the leg condition? It is a good thing.
I beg. I don't even. Mama, please, no verse. You say you want to go to the market?
Yes.
When are you going?
I'm going shortly. Sit down now. Sit down now.
Nah, I don't want to use eyes see this guy. I beg.
You don't
Guys,
see him already
see
now.
this guy now, my ex-boyfriend though, just still disappoints me.
Calm down.
After when I don't love and finish, she can't disappoint me. See him here.
Calm down. You had this your camera, guys.
You carry camera up and down now. Why they involve me to your social life?
Because
You had this your camera. Wait till they try one actually. I don't understand.
Because men are wicked, so I need to show you.
Be men are wicked, women are wicked. Everywhere you go, men are wicked, and women are wicked.
Joy.
Women are heartless. You say I disappoint you that you not disappoint me too.
I don't disappoint you.
We disappoint ourselves.
I don't disappoint you. You leave me to another girl. You know this.
You said not be another man you deal with. I'm happy that you are married. Now you are pregnant for someone else. It's a good thing. Why you got to the verse for me for old doings now?
Now you sabi now, but now you sabi whether I'm married or not married. Now you sabi down there.
Alpha, where your husband?
I mean, no, they ask me that question. Why they ask me?
You don't okay, fine. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry for the past. You understand? I'm sorry for everything that happened in the past. All right, please find a space in your heart to forgive me. Okay?
Now drama they happen for my shop today.
Wait, please.
Now they ask film. No be small film. Now they ask.
Mama, wait. I don't want to see this guy. I beg.
You don't see him already.
You see this guy?
You don't pursue my customer.
This guy wicked.
No verse.
I don't even know why I even come see and yes. Wait. How you take me on?
You live around here now. If now they always come drink now. Go sit down here, go drink. You go buy me drink. We go just this. Not my friend.
Why we made the get issue with forgiveness? Yeah?
No, na person.
Till now I'm still single because of say you leave me that time. You understand? Even the girl who have leave you run follow. The girl later still leave me follow another person.
You never ready.
You can't be like follow doings.
You never ready.
You don't understand? I'm sorry, okay? How have you been? See, I don't want to try now. You understand? Don't be the nick of that ear with this one now. You understand?
You try convince her. I know she said she didn't pregnant.
Huh? I don't even on that beer, not the course. But normally, try to find a space in your heart to forgive me. You understand? If there is any way I can make amends, I'll make amends. Alright? Sorry. What have you been?
Okay, when I come feel say he don't dey sorry for waiting do. I no can't get any option to talk any other thing again. You understand? I can't tell my girlfriend, say, see this guy really deal with me. So but him can't feel sorry. Can't say make I come make him put me for house.
Sit down, man, you drink something.
Give her a chair, give her come on one chair.
You understand?
Sit down, I know not talk. I don't know each other, don't be like someone that be strangers. Sit down and talk.
But not just you know person like Jordan as well.
You're my friend though.
Voila.
You're my friend. We just can't lose contact. Like my best friend.
The best friend.
We now lost contact. I saw her a while ago on the road one day and said it is a long story. She will explain better to me anyways.
But what's up now? Why are you looking so uncared? What's happening?
Well, Nick, it's a long story. What happened is that I've been to this my friend's house. You understand? As she told you, she helped me, and ever since then she had been feeding me because the person that will get the person will get this belly, the person will get this belly abandoned me. So what do you want me to do? Am I going to kill myself? Now my landlord also come pursue me for us. My head just be boiled.
Just because so they chop sugar cane, they walk up for road like this. And you they carry camera, they follow yourself everywhere. This is joy in a character.
Because I want to show everything to camera. Camera, beg, they show me, I beg. They show me.
After how you take the package now, you know, so you get wife, you get husband, and you get children in the house, you design 2 years. How you take the package now?
With joy, I don't get choice. Ask her. It no dey convenient like that. What I go do? I just gotta say, make she follow us and stay for the meantime. She go to get somewhere she could stay. You know, like this, I pray for joy. Maybe everything just do okay for us. Seriously.
So you know it's I don't really get much to say, you know. Assuming I did that kind of boy and stuff, it's okay, I arrange one crib for you, me and your difference, you understand, till everything balance. But
just anything you help and do, I beg. Just think about what you help and do. Maybe help joy, I beg.
You know what's in me, I did for 2 bedroom house, you understand? And I stay with me. How about you go stay with me first? At least make you relieve the stress when you put on my friend with you.
Nick, we can stay with you. You won't give me belly on top of this belly.
I'll not be that kind of person again now. I don't change now.
You get time for mine before we do accommodate too much for us. So you just
normal. I don't feel saying like this. Just live one now. Even though we break up that year, we not do. Now get what I love. So I don't feel saying for those kind of conditions you're born like that. So now for her to make up marriage, you know how to stay alone.
Well, you don't see man, we won't put you for us. Maybe you go pack your load from my house, maybe you go school and stay.
Not because I want to marry her more, not anything.
Anyway, we now be adults now.
I know expect I will see Nick. I beg guy cut that camera. I know expect I will see you. You understand? This is why you want to keep me for you want to keep me belly on top of belly. I don't understand. How you advise me? Maybe I can't go stay with man.
I don't understand.
If I stay with this guy, I'm gonna get belly. See, wait, I'm gonna get belly every day by day. I know this guy.
You know what this guy this girl life be like this? Yeah? He poor and he can't get pride. You don't get anything now. I say, man, help you. Based on olden days, now you see the carry call present day. Now help I want help you now.
Condition, just take a
which condition? If you ready, cause now help I want do. No, because I get any interest.
Sit down. Now you wait for since I want go market. Sit down. See, I go help me sit down for my shop, so make I can go market, go buy something.
Won't go now.
Okay, so what you talk now? I want come on.
We are going to discuss. I beg you.
Mad go. Mad go.
I'll push my customer. I never pay money.
I'll pay you.
Collect your money from him.
I'll pay you later. Which I'll be collect money.
See, I know they go. Collect your money. Oh.
Don't worry, now my customer. Nick, I'll wait for you.
So you know now. See, wait. That guy who I tell you that time, what I don't say you won't marry me. At the end, I don't know the kind of the girl we just deceive and this guy just leave me. If I can't go carry this here,
we break your heart. We break your heart when you say they cry. Sorry.
Men are wicked. They are wicked.
Just like amazing. I saw everywhere there.